how to connect Shopify with Wix step-by-step tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about connecting our Shopify with Wix in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So, to allow ourselves to do this, what we're going to do is there's two ways. You can either do this directly from Wix, okay, or you can do this directly from Shopify. Now, there's no proper channel that you can connect these through, like there's no verified proper channel of Shopify and Wix, but you can get different providers. So there's different providers like card to card store migration app, so you can migrate products and customers. You can connect two products with the same thing, like Printify is a print on demand extension that you can connect with, and a whole lot more. So there's no official connection between Wix and Shopify, but you can use these mid payment providers. Okay, so Wix migration app, you have Easy Importer where you can import things from Wix. You have Migration Pro, you have Printify print on demand. So these things can be used to connect your Shopify with Wix by importing them. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.